Hello. I would like to show you guys how to get to your Math Excel, where you can access all of your online homework. So if you are at our student splash page, you need to go to single sign-on. You cannot get to Math Excel unless you are signed into single sign-on. So you guys end up getting a page like this with a bunch of apps. You need to find this Pearson EasyBridge app. Okay, then you'll click on that. And then you'll get a list of all of your classes. Okay, most of you are just in one algebra class. Some of you have an Algebra Academy. But once you are in, you want to make sure you hit semester 1. Okay, some of them have semester 2. So here's an algebra semester 1. This first link is for your online textbook. The second link is for Math Excel. And then once you're in, the best way to find your homework is to just click on this part that says homework and tests. And then you can see all the homework that's been assigned. Over here on the right, you can see what your grade is. If you click the little blue link, it'll show you the exact percentage you have. So hope that was helpful. If you are still struggling getting onto Math Excel, you need to be sure to ask your teacher for help. Thanks.